Nangamalari, Aunty here again with Carla, the Curious Ally.
Aunty, the gap is between Indigenous and non-Indigenous people in Australia is massive. Why do you think it's so hard to close?
Well, it's so hard to close, Carla, because of the systemic racism and colonisation that has occurred over many, many, many years. And the other thing is that it takes time to come up with the appropriate cultural solutions for these issues. Very often that's out of the hands of Indigenous peoples, which is why these services need to be driven by Indigenous people, the solutions, but also it takes time and money to heal and to create change. But what do you think?
I think that the 97% of Australia, Aunty Manya, like me, allies, it's us who can close the gap. I think that a great solution for it was put forward through the Statement of the Heart and the Voice referendum. And what I mean by that is, like you said, community-led driven solutions. Massive blow that didn't get through. However, 6 million people did vote yes. And so I think the emphasis now is on each and every one of us stepping up to see what we can do as allies to help close the gap.
And I think that's the answer too, Carla, the acts that we can do as an individual rather than necessarily relying on government or agencies to create change.
Thanks, Aunty.
Go